Does your influencer campaign suck? Truth of the matter is most do. So we're gonna go over the top reasons as to why it's probably failing. I'm a top talent agent, but I also represent some of the biggest brands. I know what works and what doesn't. Here are my tips. Oftentimes you're not using the right influencer. I'll speak to this from an ROI standpoint in sales. Brands want to partner with influencers who have really beautiful aesthetics, but never actually selling or asking for something. Red flag 1. You want to work with an influencer that looks salesy. Yes, I said it. My top converters are the ones who ask for the sale. The second tip, enough of the test post. One post ain't gonna get you anywhere. The algorithm could be off for the day. There could be a current event happening, which will take attention off of everything you're doing. Their audience probably won't see that content. Spread your post out for the best success. And the third biggest mistake is not using lives and video content. Video content is so much more engaging. I can go up to you and say, look at my watch, buy my watch. Obviously, I wouldn't do that, but that live interaction is crucial for the sale.